guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your tutor, Joyful Joy, and this is Joyful Joy Maths Academy. And we have on the board a very beautiful question. I am here to change the narrative. We say that maths is hard because maths is simple. Before we get to what's have on the board, we're gonna do about introduction dancing. Come with me, guys. All right, a quick one. Now we have given y is equals to 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. Find its derivative. Very simple. Differential calculus. Mind you, we're still on calculus 1.0, guys. Calculus 1.0. We're still calculus 1.0. Now, given y is equals to 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. Find its derivative. Solution. The question says y is equals to 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. How do we find this derivative? Very, very simple. Now, we're going to differentiate y with respect to x because the variable here is what? X. So we're going to have this to be dy with respect to x to be equals to, mind you, we're going to use what's called the power rule for this. The power rule. Good. Now, we're going to have this to, remember the power rule, the power of the variable comes down, multiply the coefficient of the variable, then you subtract 1 from the power of the variable. So we're going to have this to be 2 times 4, okay, because 2 here, 2 is coming from the power here, so this 2 comes down here, okay, so 2 times the coefficient of x squared, which is what? 4. So 2 times 4, we have the variable itself, we have x, the power of x here is what? 2. Then you subtract 1. So 2 minus what? 1. We are here to make this math very simple, easy for everybody to understand. Okay, that is my aim here. Now we have this 2 times 4, x, the power of 2 minus what? 1. So plus 3 plus, before we write 3, the power of x here is what? 1. So let's take it step by step. So 1 times 3. The variable here is what? X. The power of x here is what? 1. Mind you, subtract 1 from here. And the constant rule, if you have f of a constant, that's f of x, you have to find, we have f of x to be equals to 3. Okay, and 3 is a constant. Now let's differentiate this. F prime of x is equals to 0. Whenever you're differentiating the constant, it always gives you 0. 0. 0. So when you're differentiating a constant, it gives you 0. Now, let's differentiate minus 4. It can be positive or negative. It's still going to give you 0. So, minus, okay, so it's minus 0. Okay? Now, we have 2 times 4 is 8. Then x, the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So we have 8x. 1 times 3x. So we have plus 3x, the power of what? 0. Okay? Now, recall the law of indices. That if you have x to the power of 0 is equals to what? 1. If you have any number to the power of 0 is equals to what? 1. So here, x to the power of 0 is going to give us what? 1, based on the what? Laws of indices. Okay, so here we have 8x plus 3 as our final answer. If you watch the video to the end, don't forget to give me a subscribe and comment and tell me your thoughts on this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.